Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your iPhone 15 Pro. If you go to Maps, for example, now, and you turn your phone sideways, then the screen will shift sideways as well. And if you don't want that to happen, you can go to your drop down menu and then click on that lock. Portrait orientation lock is on now. So if we go to Maps again and turn our phone sideways, nothing will happen. It will stay in that position as right now. If you want that to happen again, turn that back off again, and then you can turn your screen. This is especially useful for Maps, or if you're watching videos and stuff, playing games, or if you have something on your phone and you don't want your screen to turn. So that's how you can turn on and off the auto rotate on your iPhone 15 Pro. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.